Hello children, welcome back to Learning Online with Ronita. So today we are back with another chapter from English grammar, which is the articles a and the. So I know we have already done many things in grammar, and it has been a long time since I have done any chapter in grammar. So now today I am starting again with grammar. So this is the topic on which we are going to talk about today. So let's start. Now before we start, we need to know what are articles, isn't it? So what are articles? Words which are used before noun to show us whether the words are spoken in general or they are meant for a specific person or thing are called articles. Example I'll give you. Listen to me. See, basically we know what are nouns, right? Nouns are naming words, and before them, if we use any word like a, an or the, and when we are using the nouns to tell about any person, suppose I am saying a boy, so it can be any boy, isn't it? Then this particular article a is used in front of boy. But when we are talking about one particular person, suppose I am saying he is the naughtiest boy, so here naughtiest, before this word naughtiest, we have to use the to show that this is the only boy who is naughty. So that is why we use articles. Alright. Now they are also called adjectives. They also act as adjectives because they tell us more about nouns. Alright. Adjectives are also describing words and they tell us more about noun, isn't it? Now that we have known what are articles, we will be knowing the types of articles that we have. Alright. There are two types of articles. Number one is definite article. Number two is indefinite article. Well, yes, this would be very new to you and you wouldn't be able to understand this until I explain. So let's move on to the explanation. See this. Definite article. The word the, this the is an article, right? Is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. The word definite means something that refers to one particular person or thing. So the word definite itself means something which is talking about one particular person or thing. And when we use the, I already told you this before when I was explaining what are articles. The is used in before things, before nouns which tell us about some particular person or thing. Clear? Like suppose if I say the English has defeated the French. So they were having a war and the French was defeated by English. So this particular country, English, it's a nation. So we are writing the before it to point out that particular nation. Next is indefinite articles. The words a or an are called the indefinite articles because it does not point out any one definite person or thing. The word indefinite means something that does not refer to any particular person or thing. Basically, we use the articles a or an in front of nouns which does not mean or which does not talk about any particular person or thing. Like I told you, suppose an umbrella, it can be any umbrella. Okay, a boy can be any boy, any girl, like this. Okay, so we use indefinite articles in front of nouns which does not particularly mean about any one person or thing. The word indefinite itself means that it does not refer to any particular person or thing. It's just indefinite. It's not definite. Indefinite means it's not definite. Clear? So I hope children you have understood this part. Now let us move to the next part. So the two most important things that are required in placing articles are vowels and consonants. Okay. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. We know them A, B, C, D, like this. We know every thing now. So out of them, the letters A, E, I, O and U, they are called vowels, and the rest of the letters like B, C, D, these all are, all of them are consonants. Okay. Now, we use a, the article a, before a noun when it begins with a consonant. We use an before a noun when it begins with a vowel. So I already told you what are consonants and what are vowels, isn't it? So vowels are A, E, I, O, U and the rest are consonants. So we use A before consonant and an before a vowel. Clear? Now rules of using A. A is used before a consonant sound. Example, a motor car runs very fast. So the word motor car it starts with M. M is a consonant, so we write A before it. A motor car runs very fast. Next point, A is used before U or E. Yes, you must be thinking that it's not a consonant, it's a vowel, isn't it? Why then are we still writing A in front of it? See this properly. A is used before U or E, pronounced as Y-O-O, you, like, in some cases, in some words which start with U or E, they sometimes are pronounced with, they are having sounds like this, U, okay. That is why we use A before it, because it starts with Y. The word U starts with Y, isn't it? U, if we say. So, a cow is a useful animal. He is a European. So, this U, this starts with Y. Therefore, we use A before it. Okay. The next point. A is used before O. O, which is again a vowel, is pronounced as Wa. W-A, Wa. It starts with W. That is why we have to use A before it. Okay. See the example. I lost a 1 rupee note. So, this 1, this particular word is pronounced as W-A, Wa. Okay. So, I hope this part is clear to you. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is rules of using an. An is used before a vowel sound. Example, I saw an ass grazing in the field. So, this particular word ass starts with A, which is a vowel. Next, an is used before a silent H. Like, he was an hour late. H-O-U-R is not hour, it's R. The H is silent out here. Okay. Honest. Here, H is silent. It is not honest, it's honest. So, therefore, in such cases, we use an before these particular words. Alright. Next one. Rules of using the. The is used before a common noun when we want to talk about it particularly. Example, this is the boy who beat me. So, this is the particular boy who beat me. No one else. This is the particular boy. So, this is a common noun. Boy is a common noun out here, but we are using the in front of it to talk about a particular person. The is used before adjectives in superlative degree. Like, he is the cleverest boy in the class. So, this is an adjective. It describes the boy. So, he is the only boy who is clever in the class. That is why we have used the in front of cleverest. Next one. The is used before the names of rivers, oceans, mountains, mountain ranges, sacred books, nations, or any proper noun that is only one of its kind. Like only one. It is only one and there is no other thing like that. The Ganges is a sacred river. The English defeated the French. I already told about this to you, isn't it? So, I hope children you have understood this part. Now, we will be moving on to omission of the article. In some cases, no articles are used before nouns. No article is used before the names of languages. Example, English is taught all over the world. So, this is a subject. It is a language, isn't it? Therefore, no article will be used in front of it. Next, no article is used before proper nouns. Delhi is the capital of India. So, this is a proper noun. No other thing will be used before this. No article will be used before Delhi. No article is used before abstract or material noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is something which we can feel but cannot see, like health, and material noun is any kind of thing, okay, object. So, iron is more useful than gold. Before this, iron is vowel I, but we don't use any article before it. Health also does not need any article because it's abstract noun. Alright. So, children, I hope you've understood what are articles, when we use a, an or the, and when we do not use articles at all. Alright. If you have any queries, any confusion, you can ask me. Get in touch with me through the comment section. Also, like and share the video if you like it. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love. See you soon.